Hello everyone, welcome. Today I come to present a work of the elective subject of depending with my work group formed by Brayan Alejandro Suárez, Javier Felipe Castañeda, and me, Daniel Alejandro Reyes, 5th semester students of mechatronics engineering career. The main objective of this video is to record the work done in PLC simulator on FactoryIO of the challenge number 1, improving in the product the soft skills such as communication next. The circuit logic, operation and application and industry level will be explained.
Well, now we are going to go to the software TIA Portal. That is where we are going to program our logic in the main. Well, we have this divide in six segments. We are going to start with the segment 2. The segment 2 is the start and stop of belts 1 and 2. If you can see, we have the stop in the two belts, and this indicates that it's going to stop all the work. Yeah? Now we have a blade. This blade is going to indicate that it's the blade it's on or it's off. Yeah, that it's its function. And if the blade it's on, the belt one it's going to be off. Yeah, it's going to be not working. Now we have automatic start when the blade it's going to be off. Now in the segment 3 we have the sensor to detection. Yeah, in this all right, in the in the sensor to detection we have some security, that is the bell one. The bell one, it's have to be working for the sensor it's going to work. Then we have a rising edge of the sensor, it's the detected of a box, and we have a timer that is going to be a delay of this. Now we have a signal that it's going to be the output for the next segment, that is the segment 4. It's the blade activation. When the sensor 2 have the rising edge, it's going to be to connect for a tune or a timer with retard, and this is going to be a delay for up or off that up or off that blade. And we have the sensor 3 rising edge like a secure, because we have the sensor 3 for off this blade, and we have here it's like we need first to up to later off this blade. Now in the segment 5 we have a sensor 3 detection, that is the same thing that we have in the segment 3. That is the sensor 2 detection. It's the same thing, it's the same work. And for the last time we have segment 6 is automatic start. This automatic start have security of bell 2, and this have we are going to be in the segment 6, please. And these have a automatic start. These have a security that is bell 2. If the bell 2 is working, it's going to be, we have a falling edge of the blade. Yeah, and we have a timer, and this timer is going to be a delay for the automatic start. Okay, we are going to see this better in the FactoryIO. Now we have the simulation, and we give a start in the control panel. Like you see, the bell one is working. This going to the sensor, and this is stop the blade, and the blade up the blade, sorry, and stop the belt. Now if the sensor 3 have the rising edge, this is going to be off the blade, and it's going to have the automatic start. Now in the control panel we have the stop, that is going to be a stop all the plant, and it's no more working. All right, now we have the conclusions of this challenge, and it's going to be presented by Alejandro.
For industrial production and transport in factories, there is a wide variety of process and machine that optimize the daily work of workers. And of course, production regardless of the main activity of the company, conveyor belts in industrial plants have become the essential tool. not only to encourage the safety employees, but to reduce hours in the development of activities, improve productivity, facilitate achievement of goals or objectives, previously raised, contributing to ideal result for the growth of companies. It's actually machinery that functions to transport production from point A to point B. Conveyor belts have a great impact of industrial science. They are necessary machines for different production lines, from raw materials to loading, unloading, processing, distribution, baking, organization, and other areas. They use bulk items, bread, dough, powders, food, and most others.
To conclude the video, we thank you for your time and attention. Goodbye. See you later.